Hi YouTubers, I want to show you my little latest find. It's an American Flyer Prewar 3110 3-rail steeple cab, and of course it's an electric. You can see the pentagram towards the back that would have gone up and touched the electric wire. It's got a nice little bell in the front. Great grill on it. It's a huge headlight, a nice little button nut here to hold the shell to the screw, not just a regular screw through there. A lot of nice brass on it. And put it up alongside. I'm going to bring my Lionel up here. The 3110, by the way, was made from 1928 to 31. And this Lionel is, I think everybody's seen these, it's a 252. And I believe this was from around 1926 to, I have to look at my notes, to 1932 as well. So, right around the same time. And let's get the Lionel out of the way. And as you can see, the Lionel is rounded, except for the cab, which is square, the steeple cab. And this American Flyer is more squared and then comes down in a bevel. So it's a interesting design. So take the Lionel out of off there. Gosh knows where the camera was pointing. And let's move this. I got the whole train. Was not working, which I think is why the train is probably in such incredible condition. Here's an American Flyer 31131 gondola. And here's an American Flyer Pennsylvania 311267 hopper. And here's an American Flyer 1228 Sinclair tanker car. And here's the American Flyer 1127 caboose. And I never really had a chance living in a small town in the country to acquire anything like this. So American Flyer, if you got them, it was post-war, and they were 2-rail and a bit smaller than the Lionel and the Marks and the rest of them. So this is kind of unusual. I have one other that's the Comet, which is a Zephyr with an engine on both ends and headlight on both ends, which I've shown in my other films. But I swore I wasn't going to buy any more trains, but this thing was so cheap and so beautiful that I had to buy it. I don't know if I'll hang on to it or sell it or what, but in the meantime, you know how guys are, we can't have enough trains. So I'm going to start it up and run it. It does not have an E-unit, as goes forward only. It runs very nicely. I turn this transformer up any higher, it would fly off the track. It's only up about 1/3. It's a small transformer. Amazing how something this old can run this wonderfully. Boy, you can smell the ozone. Some of my marks, auto carriers, Prewar. Sort of my life, like my life, just going around in circles. Okay, thanks for watching. And once again, this has been a Big Lizard production.